I have some bad news. It's actually really bad news for the red team. David George found a piece of cartilage in his dish.
Mary.
Yes, chef.
This is absolutely unacceptable.
I'm so sorry. I know, and I'm so sorry.
Red team, I want one more chow mein.
April Lee? Yo, 2 more. Thanks, Mary.
Look at these women. They're strong, they're confident.
They're giving the guys a run for their money, I can tell you that much.
Doing okay, Veronica?
Doing great.
Get the chow meins out. Get the chow meins out.
One chow mein coming up, Mary.
Number 12.
Guys, we're doing so well, okay? April Lee, you're kicking so much butt.
Come on, let's go. Come on, come on.
Here you go, chef. 2 chow mein.
Did you taste it?
I did.
Good. Service, please.
Season 2 MasterChef winner David George is in the middle of sampling both teams' chow mein dishes when Claudio pays his table a visit.
How you doing?
Good, chef, good.
So what do you think of the food so far?
I pulled a giant piece of cartilage out of my mouth, so that's never appetizing. So other than that, flavors are on point.
So listen, we're gonna get you a fresh plate and redo this.
Thank you.
Guys, I want to watch this.
I have some bad news. It's actually really bad news for the red team. David George found a piece of cartilage in his dish.
Mary.
Yes, chef.
This is absolutely unacceptable.
I'm so sorry. I know, and I'm so sorry.
April Lee just served David George, season 2 winner, lobster with cartilage in it.
I'm very, very disappointed. Come on, get it right. Make sure you check it.
Refire? Yeah, another refire. Hey, you're not leaving me right now? Or what?
Come on, red team. You're behind. Come on.
Chef, I just gotta make sure this blows.
You're behind. Come on.
1 minute, chef.
If a lobster gets sent back again, it's all over.
Good girl. 1. Okay, this lobster looks great. Got 2 up. That's the replate.
Service, please. Number 3.
You're doing amazing, April Lee.
David, I hope you enjoy this.
Thank you, chef.
Can you understand how this can happen? Being in that kitchen?
I can. We know what they're going through. You're just trying to do your best and as fast as possible. No disrespect, they're doing an amazing job.
All right. I hope you enjoy this. Take care.
The most popular dish at R&D, Eric's famous lobster chow mein.
They look pretty similar.
So we'll try the red teams first.
The lobster is cooked perfectly. The noodles, on the other hand, seem to be overcooked.
All right. Let's try the blue one.
This lobster, Alvin, looks raw.
It's a little under.
I mean, that is raw lobster.
That definitely is raw.
Translucent there.
Raw lobster, overcooked noodles. What's worse? Both unacceptable.
Neither makes a perfect dish.
As service winds down, Claudio takes one last tour of the dining room to get the alumni's final thoughts.
It's got excellent flavor, nice texture to it. They're doing really well.
Good evening, ladies. How are you enjoying everything?
We weren't too happy with lobster chow mein.
Okay.
It was really chewy, and there was actually a shell left on one piece of the lobster. Like this was a leftover dish.
Alvin's not going to be happy about this one. Chef Alvin, this is a complete and utter disaster. They found a lobster shell. The lobster was beyond overcooked.
That's bad. What team was that?
Please, please, please. Don't beat the red team.
This was the blue team.
Blue team. Jeremy, Jeremy. Lobster chow mein. Look, lobster overcooked. Noodles undercooked. Come on, I want everything has to be perfect. Do it again, right now. Do it.
You know what they said?
What?
Describe it as leftovers.
Bad, that's bad. That's really bad.
You gotta get that guest a new plate of chow mein. It's gonna be down to the wire.
Jeremy, come on. Last one. That's the last one. You're behind, come on.
Last order of chow mein. Look better than the last one.
Nice one, nice one.
Woo!
Service, please. Number 12. All right, we're done.
Thank you, chef.
We just took over one of the busiest restaurants in Toronto.
I got so much lipstick on your toe.
What an amazing experience. I can't believe we pulled it off.